Hello, I'm DK Sharma here. Welcome to my channel DK Sharma English Group. My dears, today I want to talk about English language. You know very well, English is a language. It is no longer just a language. But today, it is a skill. People want to learn English more and more. The reason is very clear. The working knowledge of English is booming day by day. We live in India, but the demand of English is booming day by day. Why? Because this is the age of science technology. This is the age of global economy market. That's why the working knowledge of English is very necessary. Second thing, first thing I have just told you. Second thing I want to talk about, how can you improve your English? I have just told you in the back time, English is a language only. If I talk about languages, there are many languages that are spoken entire the world. But English is second language of India. It is a official language of India. I'm not talking about English is official language especially for Indians. It is a language of communication scale. Now I'm just going to tell you how can you improve your English. That is very easy. Within 5 months, you can speak English fluency. You can speak English like an Englishman. Nobody can say you are a rural, you are Indian. Anybody can say you are an Englishman. Why? Because you are able to speak English like an Englishman. There is a condition. First of all, I'm just going to suggest you readers. First of all, you choose a very good atmosphere. I mean, you need a very good environment. You need a very good trainer. And as well as you should practice a lot. First of all, you should remember lots of words because words are keys of English. If you have no collection of words, you are unable to speak English. Words are the keys of English because English is not our native language. That's why people face lot of difficulties to speak English. I'm talking about Hindi is our mother language. We can't face difficulties to speak Hindi. Why? Because English is our native language. English is our sorry Hindi is our birth language. Mathili is our birth language. Bhojpuri is our birth language. We are able to Mathili, we are able to Bhojpuri, we are able to Hindi very well. Why? Because these are our mother language. But if I talk about English, we have to learn, we have to take coaching, we need very good trainer. Then we can be a good speaker at English. If you want to be a very good speaker, dears, over there, you should learn English step by step. From the very beginning, you should speak some extent. After 10 days, after 1 month, after 2 months, you can be a good speaker. You can be a normal speaker. Gradually, you will be a good speaker. But always touch in English. English will be yours.